Youth Empowerment Foundation on Saturday had extended humanitarian aid to the victims of flood at Arnam Teplong region under Amreng constituency. A non-government organization known as Youth Empowerment Foundation on Saturday had extended humanitarian aid to the victims of flood at Arnam Teplong region under Amreng constituency. The task was carried out by Kangtir Ingti with his team. The team, while on their way for the distribution of relief materials, had to face lot of difficulties. Even the roads were filled with mud water, which made more difficult to pass through. Despite all those difficulties, the dedication and determination of the team to serve the people had finally driven them to their destined location. The people affected from the flood had expressed their grievances with us. Here is a report.
Lang kang lumhut niltum dag lang kang lumlong mangke pene gi ason edondona hande jon thom jon pli lason kan hok dolo chainong kangbu lason dolo sok ko mane hemke mon thongke mon plikep lason asok angkru ban masing dum chok chok dolo lasi kichu thai ga besi thutang asok tustami arnga chutisi kachutoksi sayog ye chunang kok niltum mangga kisung bangke thidung la
dak Arnam Teplong ahawar long kaduk ko don kan bag do jilang kang lumpen kisung ge phora ta to
dak niltum Arnam Teplong hawar long kadok ei pen lang kisung pen lang kang lumen kisung ke phuarat an bangke don pharu pira don frike thong bangke niltum kisung bangke.
Kangtir Ingti, while speaking to us, informed that they are from the Youth Empowerment Foundation, a Delhi-based NGO who seeks to provide basic essential commodities to the flood-affected region. This is their maiden initiative as an NGO at East Karbi Anglong, and so far, 25 families had benefited from it. He also informed that in coming days, they would extend their service towards other constituencies and to all the flood-affected areas.
Nilitum laso haladak pendan nilitum order bangke nitum mane per day nilitum han 25 ahem han sinitum nangapa cover up toy. Tasinitum laso teng maninitum pena pusita ba 1 week apista nilitum report pipen hala so teng benalang tum fanang lelo plote nilitum aro lasona keram nilitum wang thuji.
Nilitum head tum handa report pipen lason son kethe do lang kethe ke effect do ulo lasia sabso kerap pinang polason request pilo aman si otonte pinang pojal hai asingke laso NGO bangke la dakar bianglong dagali assam ben dagali through Delhi pen.
Vicky Bay from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live.